Hello everyone, my name is Trupti Bidve. Today in this video, we are going to see the one of the basic concept that is probability. Now before going to the definition of probability, let us see why there is a need to study this concept probability in our syllabus. Because this probability has wide applications in each and every branch like mathematics, physics, statistics, economics, game theory, everywhere it has application. Even though we are having we are having applications of probability in our day-to-day life examples. Let us see the one example that it is 60% chance that India will win the World Cup match. Here, see, we don't know the result of actual World Cup match. Simply, we are telling the possibility, or chance, or probability that it is 60% winning probability. Here also, there is a 50% chance that newly born child is a girl. See, here we don't know the result of this outcome that newly born child is 100% girl or 100% boy. Simply, we are telling it's 50% chance, 50% probability that the newly born child may be girl. Here, we don't know, we are not sure about the result of an event. In such a case, probability of this event occur or not occur. We don't know. Probability, generally we are calculating probability with the help of simple formula that dividing number of favorable outcomes to the total number of possible outcomes. Let us go to the definition and some of the examples of probability. Now, what is meant by probability? Probability we are calculating with the help of this formula. Number of outcomes favorable to E divided by total number of outcomes. It is the ratio of this numerator is nothing but number of favorable outcomes to E divided by total number of outcomes, where E is the any event and probability of E is denoted with this symbol, probability of E. See, the probability is always lies between 0 to 1. When we say that probability is 0, then event is called as impossible event. And when we say that probability is 1, then the event is called as certainty event. Now let us see one example in which probability is 0, and let us see one example in which probability is 1. Suppose, let us see the example in which probability is 0. Now what is the probability of dog will fly? Is dog going to fly? No, it cannot. So its probability is 0. Now, what is the probability of getting a natural number when we roll a fair die? We know that if we roll a die, it gives the numbers from 1 to 6. And if we roll a die, at least one number we are getting from 1 to 6. And this is a natural number. So it has probability 1. Means 100% every time if we roll a die, we get one natural number. So its probability is 1, means its event is called as certain event. Now to be more clarified, let us go with some of the examples. Example 1 is that find the probability of getting a head when a coin is tossed once. Suppose let us toss a coin one time. Once means only one time. And find out the probability of getting head and getting tail. See, we know that if we toss a coin, we get either head or tail. Means we have only two outcomes, either head or tail. Now let us denote E be the event getting head and F be the event getting tail. Now what is the numerator? Probability of event E, number of outcomes favorable to E. Means if we toss a coin one time, what is the numerator? Means probability of event getting head. We get either we get head or either we get tail. Means only one. Means numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. Why it is 2? Because total number of outcomes is we get either head or tail is 2. Similarly, what is the probability of getting tail? Means number of outcomes favorable to the event F. Means number of outcomes in which we get tail is only 1. Therefore, it is same 1/2. Here, we are having the same probability of getting event head as well as getting event tail. Now let us go to the second example. Suppose we are having one bag and that bag contains three colors balls. One ball which is of red color, one ball which is of blue color, and one ball which is of yellow color. All the balls having same size. Now Kritika is one of the girl and she takes out the ball from the bag without looking it. Now, what is the probability that she takes out yellow ball, red ball, blue ball? Now, see here in this bag contains total 3 balls. Now, let us denote this event. Let Y be the event. The ball taken out is yellow. B be the event. The ball taken out is blue. And R be the event. The ball taken out is red. Therefore, what is total number of outcomes? Total number of outcomes are 3. And what is the probability of Y? If we Means probability of Y is given number of outcomes favorable to Y. What is the probability that we obtain one yellow ball is only 1. Among 3, we will get only 1. There is only one chance that we get yellow ball. There is only one chance that we get blue ball. There is only one chance that we get red ball. Therefore, probability of Y, probability of B, probability of R is 1/3. So we can conclude that here is a remark. In this previous example, probability of E, probability of F is nothing but 1/2 plus 1/2, which is 1. In the second example, probability of Y plus probability of B plus probability of R is nothing but 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3, which is 1. So we can conclude that probability, sum of probability of all the elementary events of an experiment is always 1. Now this is the third example. You can see this example. You will clearly clearly understand. Okay, students. Thank you.